My name is Maggie Schmitz. I work for USAID's Bureau for Humanitarian Assistance, and I am the Division Chief for the Private Sector Engagement, Diaspora and Civic Engagement, and Innovation Division. We are the U.S. government's lead agency for international humanitarian government, and we use a lot of what we do to provide the funding that the U.S. government provides for humanitarian assistance. And our mission is to save lives, reduce human suffering, and increase resilience of people around the world. That is our mission. USAID's Bureau for Humanitarian Assistance believes in innovation because it knows that it needs new ideas, new partners, new partnerships, new processes to come into the international humanitarian system and make humanitarian assistance more efficient, cost-efficient, effective, sustainable, and equitable. We are in a time of increasing global humanitarian need and decreasing budgets, and we need innovation in order to do more, much more, with less. But we also need innovation in order to use the innovative process of problem solving to bring in the people who are affected directly by conflict, by crises, and have them be part of the solution. Define the problem, design the solution. USAID works with the WFP Innovation Accelerator on quite a few levels. We are partners. USAID provides critical funding for core mandate areas for WFP. In addition, we provide technical assistance, and we work together in the ecosystem to bring partners together on issues of humanitarian assistance. With any sort of private sector engagement, one of the core reasons to work together is that there's an overlap in the mission. Both of them want to see the same objective. And so it's finding that middle ground and realizing that you can work together, whether you are in a humanitarian organization or a business, and use each other's comparative advantage to work together to solve problems. To make innovation successful and really to make innovation succeed and spread across an organization, you do need to start with that team. And that team needs to be flexible, it needs to be creative, it needs to take risks, it needs to be aware of the risk, but also willing to take that risk and move forward. Those teams need to be very strong communicators about what they're doing, why they're doing it, and what the results are. My advice to innovators is not to look for a solution, but to look for a problem. You need to start to define the problem first before you then can design a solution. And my second piece of advice is to work with the people who are affected by the situation. They know the situation best, they know their needs best, and they are best placed to say what is the best solution. The trends that I see forthcoming, a lot of them have to do with technology, AI, machine learning, and that's all very important. But I do want to go back to what I always say about innovation. Innovation is a process to solve a problem, and to solve a problem, you really need to work with the people who are affected by the problem. And this is the trend of localization in humanitarian and development assistance. So really work with those or be led by those who are affected by the situation in order to create the solution to whatever situation they're facing.